So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about a swing trading setup. Especially we are going to discuss about a stock screener. So using which you can just filter the stocks in 5 minutes and you can use them for the short term investment. Because the recent comments, whatever I have received, so many people are having doubts, especially in the stock selection criteria. So as I told, we'll discuss one such screener. So previously also, like in our secondary channel Stocks Diary Education, we used to discuss about charting screeners. So there many people got some very good benefit, especially for the intraday come short term trading screeners. So this is going to be an updated version which will give some very good result. So what are the basic rules that you need to follow when you're using this screener? So we'll discuss that. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so first and foremost thing, or the basic tool that is required for this setup is the charting screener. So already we know it. Previously also many videos we have done on this particular website itself, how to develop a strategy, how to use various indicators like using candlestick pattern, how to filter the stocks. So like this we used to discuss on a regular basis. So this is like a frequently used website, so keep in radar if you are new to it. So just directly you need to type charting in the Google. So whatever the first website you're seeing, just click on it. Okay, so if you observe, I have created a separate screener for the short term breakouts. So directly you can go to the link, but if not, if you want to try, you can also try by adding all this three things that clearly is visible to you. So with the help of the plus icon, whatever you're seeing there, you can give all the inputs to that website, especially about the indicators and all. So then you can easily filter the stocks. So first thing, we are focusing in the cash segment, that is we are not focusing only on the futures. So what is the benefit of cash and futures? So in the cash you get all the stocks, but whereas in futures you get only limited number of stocks which are trading in the FNO section. So that is one important thing. So here, as I told, we are using the cash segment, and what are the things we have used here? So first thing, we have used the volume criteria, and also we use the candle closing basis. We have tried to filter it, and also SMA is also involved. SMA is simple moving average. So if you see, what is it indicating? So basically all the stocks basically which are near to the high and in the past 4 months with rising volumes and closing strong. So wherever the closing is very much strong, so those type of stocks are basically filtered in this particular scanner. So after that, we'll discuss what are the next steps that you need to follow. Okay, so now if you observe here, so only one stock got filtered, which is Accuracy Shipping, and in the previous session it has given almost 11.76% positive move. So a very good jump was present in this particular stock. So as I told, very limited stocks you'll be getting, but whenever you're getting that opportunity, you can utilize that for the short term investing. So now after getting this particular stock directly, you should not jump and buy it. So we'll go to the technical charts. So there we will try to observe what are the important rules that you need to remember. Okay, so as you can see, I've opened the technical chart, and in the previous session, the stock has given somewhere around 11% up move, and the current price is around 281 rupees level. So I've opened the weekly chart, and clearly you can see after a very good consolidation, the stock has given a very good breakout. So one important thing that you need to observe is directly if you jump in, there are very few chances that you may go in the upside direction, because market won't be same every day. So let's take an example. If market is down tomorrow, so then doesn't mean the stock also should go up. It may even come in the downside direction. So first and most important criteria is the Nifty, whatever Nifty 50 is there, so that should be in the positive. Very important. Okay, so Nifty should open in green. So this particular stock you can add to the watch list, and immediately once it is breaking the previous high or the previous close, then you can preferably take a position with the stop loss somewhere around the next immediate support. So there you can take a stop loss, or slightly below that also you can take according to your risk appetite. And if you are a very much safe investor, if you don't want to risk much, and if the stock is retracing little bit, you can enter at the support level also. Okay, so these are different ways. You need to be logical. First thing is you need to observe the market condition, so how it is, whether it's in positive or whether it is in negative. Second thing is, once it is breaking the previous close or high, you can take a position for the next immediate targets. So maximum you can take targets of 5 to 10%. Okay, keep a target of 5 to 10% from where you're taking the entry position. So if you're getting it, well and good, you can exit with some decent profits. Right, got some clarity? So these are the basic rules that you need to implement. So if not, we can also use some indicators for the secondary confirmation like the RSI and money flow index, but that is not that required because you will be basically complicating the charts. So better, once see the market when it is breaking that previous high or close, you can take your position. So this is one screener. So like that, we'll discuss some screeners to filter some very good stocks. So if you enjoyed the video, so do like it, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching.